Tech dependency is defined as a reliance on digital devices for emotional regulation and stimulation. Screen use activates the brain's reward system, leading to a cycle of craving and instant gratification. Anxiety during screen time reduction is a common withdrawal symptom, similar to breaking any habit. Practical strategies for gradually reducing screen time include setting time limits and using app blockers. Designating tech-free zones within the home environment is an effective method for reducing screen exposure. Mindfulness, or being present in the moment, is crucial for breaking the cycle of screen dependency. Alternative activities such as reading, exercising, and spending time in nature can effectively replace screen time. Reducing screen time promotes healthier lifestyles and enhances overall well-being. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle is crucial to prevent relapse into excessive screen use. Self-awareness is key to recognizing triggers that lead to increased screen time. Ongoing adjustment and self-compassion are necessary for achieving a healthy balance. Setbacks are normal. Learning from them is essential for continued progress.